What's going on, YouTube? Box of Revolution Basketball for Andrew. Gonna wait till the encoding is done being overloaded to rip into this, but good luck, Andrew. Let's see if we can get you a Zion, maybe a Morant, a Barrett, or even an auto. One every two boxes, really, is what it is. So, found my box cutter though. Still shiny. Alrighty. Good luck. Ooh, shiny. Levine, Oladipo, Lowry. Got a Ben Simmons Shockwave. And the rookie of, good lord, I can't read it. Taco Fall. Need these numbered? Nope. We have a Supernova of Anthony Davis. And then on the back, CJ McCollum. Is that right? Astro? Yep, Astro. We have a Vortex of Steph Curry. Not numbered. And a rookie on the back of Darius Garland. Packs just really don't want to open. Alrighty. PJ Washington Jr. That is the fractal parallel. Not numbered. Put that to the side though. And another fractal of AD. We've got a Cam Reddish rookie Revolution. And then a rookie on the back of Gafford. Daniel Gafford. We have a Vortex of Joel Embiid. And then on the back here, a Derrick Rose. That's what, a groove? Yep, a groove. Two packs left. Joel Embiid. Okay, thank you. I'm talking to someone who literally just watched, like, basketball tonight because of Zion's debut. Oh, well, RJ Barrett on the back. Hey, I think you hit an auto. Pull from the back. RJ Barrett rookie. We have a Kevin Knox. Cubic to 50. 2 of 50. And let's flip it. On card of Carson Edwards. Hey, a pack that actually wanted to go. And final pack. It's an Astro DeAndre Hunter rookie. And on the back, another Astro of Gordon. So you did get an auto in this. You got a Carson Edwards on card. Not numbered. You also got this Cubic of Kevin Knox II. Got an RJ Barrett rookie, and you got a PJ Washington Fractal rookie. Thank you very much, Andrew. We'll be getting this out to you.